Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Saksham and today we are going to do an unboxing video of this tripod. Okay, as you can see, this is a camera tripod. You can also use it for smartphones, and this is specially used for cameras. If you are going to shoot photos or videos in a very steady way, then you need this tripod, and it is very heavy also. It is in black color, as you can see, and it is very heavy, and its length is also very much. Okay, so if you want to see its full length and its every function and all, then please watch the video till the end, because I'll be showing you everything about this. And if you also want to buy this, then I will give the link in the description. Please go and check it out. So let's start. Okay, so as you can see over here, now the main function of this tripod is how to connect this camera here. Okay, so for that, as you can see over here, this part, okay, we have to open this one. Now here is a lock. Okay, now as soon as I will open this one, this part will automatically come up. Okay, as you can see here, this part comes up. Okay, now this part we need to attach our camera. Now this was the lock, and after opening the lock, this part came out. Now how to attach our camera is, as you can see here, behind the camera, here under the camera, we will get this type of screw, and here is also this type of screw. So what you have to do is just keep this screw above this camera, and then you have to tighten it. Okay, now how we can tighten it is, first of all, we'll keep this screw above that camera and then open this. Okay, this is kind of magnet, as you can see here, so you can open this and then just tighten it. Okay, and then you can again keep this camera in this stand by locking it. Now how to do it is, you don't need to do anything now, just keep it above it like this, as you can see here, and it will automatically get locked also. Okay, as you saw, automatically get locked. Now little bit we can push also. Okay, now our camera is connected. As you can see here, it won't fall now. Okay, because it's very strong stand, it won't let the camera to fall, as you can see over here. Now I can shoot very straight photos and videos with the camera. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, so as you can see here, now if I want to shoot videos in this rectangular way, I can shoot it like this. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, my camera, as you can see, it's working fine. And if I want to shoot videos in like this, then I can also shoot it like this. Okay, as you can see here, this is my mobile charger. I'm shooting the video of it. It's very nice. Okay, as you can see here, my camera won't move. Now I am just shooting the video, so I am shooting it with my hand, but I will keep it on the ground and shoot later on with this tripod. This much was about this tripod. Now I will be showing you the full length of this tripod. Okay, so as you can see here, this is my tripod. Now let me open the legs. Okay, first of all, I'll open one leg, the second leg, and the third leg. Okay, as you can see here, how big it is. As you can see over here, as you can see here, this is very big stand. Okay, now not just this one, this will also come out. Okay, as I already said you. Now we will take out this part also. First of all, we will do it a little bit loose, and then we will take it out. Okay, done. Now we will tighten it. As you can see, the stand is up to this much. Okay, as you can see, even the camera couldn't capture it. It's very long. Okay, as you can see here, first of all. Okay, from here, this much more length added, and this was the normal length, and we have added this much more length, as you can see over here. This much more length. Okay, so very long in this stand. It's not even fitting in the camera, as you can see here. So let me open other three legs also. Okay, so as you can see here, my camera, now I will be showing you the actual length of the camera. As you can see, it's going up. So I have touched the camera in the ground, and from ground to top, it is this much. Okay, length. As you can see, it's bigger than me also. As you can see here, now I can shoot very nice videos from here also. As you can see, I can slowly rotate it and then shoot it, my videos. Okay, so if you like this stand, then please buy it. I'll give the link in the description. It's a 4000 IC. Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.